Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add bio on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on profile. After that, tap on edit profile. Next, you can see the option of bio. Tap on it, then add bio of your choice. After that, you can see the option of save at top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. So, this is how you can add bio on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.